Yeah, hi guys, Stephen I Ford from Ford Fortune. I've got another classic case of these videos regarding trading on these high frequency platforms, and I'm with Plus500 at this stage, and I'm using quite a bit of signal provider to be able to gauge where I'm going. In this particular case, as you can see, I've got a few opening positions with this particular asset, GPP. Where was I? I'm in the wrong chart, by the look of it, sorry. I'm using GBP at the moment. Oh, for Christ's sake, I'm missing the point here. GBP USD, sorry. GBP USD, and I've got a few positions opening here, only because it's showing me a gradual movement in the chart, and I'm using TradingView to give me some signals. And basically, this is the signals that I'm following. And I've got a pretty good feeling that's going to return to where it used to be. This is the history. It's going to return up to that line. And as we continue trading throughout the night, you'll notice here's my balance, $23,000. Currently, where is it? Currently, my balance on the account is $60,000 since last night's trading. So I put on a substantial amount of profits there already. But anyway, what's this video about? It's about using signals. The key of using signals, it's imperative to a successful trading profitably for yourself. So here's another signal provider that I'm using. This is actually live trading, but I'm using these signals also interacting with each other, even though this is a live account. With this particular broker that I've got here, and I'm using it in conjunction with this live account with this with Plus500, combining the two to give me the best signals and where the assets is moving. And as you can see, I'm going back and forth through the screens, finding the best movements. And this is, to me, imperative in my way of judging where the asset is going that I'm trading. It's not always perfect, of course. But as you can see, I'm using literally the same assets that I'm trading here in the XM platform with Plus500 platform. In conjunction, I'm using this chart also. This is all free services. Bear that in mind. The gold price chart, you can you just got to punch it in Google and you get that data. Now I'm using, you might find that I'm using gold in reflections also with GTP USD. I have found that GPP USD is very close in partner or in coordination with the gold. So you might see me going back and forth between gold and GPP USD. Now that's something that you might not perhaps understand, but if you follow the chart, or you follow GBP USD with gold, you'll be surprised how close resembling they move in the same sort of directions. So that's another strategy altogether. However, I'm still trading here, as you can see, with GBP USD, and I'm opening a lot of positions, buy position, only because I see a movement. I see there's a movement. A positive movement going up this asset, GBP USD, only because it's also confirmed by the movement of the gold has given me that confidence to purchase a lot of open position, as you can see here. Why am I using the gold? As I explained earlier, they sort of correlate with each other. That's why, as you can see, I'm opening up a lot of opening positions with GBP USD. Now I'm going back also to this other platform that I'm trading with, XM, and to see how GBP USD is performing with my open trades. But notice I'm just going back and forth, correlating and making sure that it is moving in my favor. I'm not saying that you do this, but this is the sort of practice that I'm applying. This is a demo account, of course, in with Plus500. I'm using Plus500 as it is a live chart. Plus500 uses a live chart, but on a demo account. I'm using this demo account to give me a reference also. Like I said, I'm just using Plus500 in this sort of video to give me reference. It's a signal provider for me also. And I'm taking this information that I'm applying here and relaying it to my live account with XM. So as you can see just a moment ago there, I've got 18,000. It has dropped dramatically only because I've opened up a lot of positions. But as you can see, I'm also double checking chart. I'm going from changing the minutes, the variations, to give me a closer look of where the asset is moving. I'm still confident. That's why I'm opening up a lot of positions with buy positions, of course. Buy position is this asset will move up, will go upwards, upward trends in the near future. Here we go. But back again, as you can see, I'm losing quite a bit of money, $17,000. And just to reflect on this is trading last night, only about 12 hours ago, and my current balance now with this trading account, with this demo account, is $60,000. So there is a substantial amount of growth there, and that sort of signal gives me confidence to apply in my live trade account. Now, you'll just see me going back and forth, double checking things before I leave this process. Now, this line, indicator line, as you can see, I'm just pulling forward. I grab that from here. And what that does is give me an indication where this could be going up in the near future, returning to its history. See, it's been there before, so I'm very confident we'll go back there again, or even go higher. As you can see, I'm putting up another line, higher again. Now, these are for my own indication. I'm just predicting it, that this asset, GBP, USD, will return to where it was before. This trading, of course, was done 7th February 2017, and today's date is the 8th, so only a day later. You're looking at something, say, 12 hours ago. Here we go. I'm changing the signals from just a chart to candlesticks, and as you can see, I've changed it simply up an icon on the trading view up the top. Now, this indication it's very variable. I'm not saying they're 100% perfect, but of course, if you take these signals in conjunctions with world events, it can be very, very profitable and beneficial. As I said, I'm using all sorts of signals to make sure what I'm opening up, it's going to go into my favor. As you can see, there's a ton. I have opened up a ton of trades, buy trades, and that's off the money, only because the charting work that I'm working with, I'm very confident it's going to return to where it used to be. Now, you might ask, why would I do that? Say sometimes a gut feeling. Sometimes just the indications of where it has been in the past, an asset that I can predict that it will return to where it used to be. And of course, some of them, these are live trades, of course. And I'm just transferring those demo account or Plus500 in reference of my live account, real money live account. But you can see this is practice. I'm just practicing, and this is what I encourage all traders. Do the practice, and you'd be surprised what practice can teach you and actually trading on live accounts. So you can look after your investment. And you know, nobody wants to lose money. As you can see, it's already grown from 17,000 at the bottom up to 21,000 now, this demo account. Now, like I said, this demo account gives me the confidence with the chart work that where I'm going to trade in real money, then I will make the right choices. There is a lot of things that you can use. You know, everybody will stand by their own signal provider. But I'm just using this as my theory and my system and my strategy as using these avenues, as I said, as a signal provider. Making sure that when I go to sleep later on, that all my open positions when I wake up will be on the money. But of course, it might just give me the money while we're doing this video. And I hope it can. And as you see, it's already grown from $17,000 from my plus 500 account to 21,000. And as you can see, I'm going back and forth again to the gold price, because remember I said earlier on, gold price has, it's like they're in partner, in coordinations with GBP USD. And I work closely with these two signals to give me the accurate price where the product or where the assets is moving anyway. So I hope you can appreciate it and you know, learn some of these simple processes. They're all there, and they're all free. Now, Plus500 has got a beautiful demo account. As you can see, I've already gone up to say 25,000, 26,000 from these open position, from taking what you have seen earlier on what I was checking with the charts, and giving me this strong confidence that GBP will be moving up. And as you can see, as I said, most of those positions are open with GBP. They're all off the money. Well, I'm just preparing, because even gold, as you recognize here, that's how high it's been. Not how high, but that's where it's been in the past. In the time now in New York is 1041. And I use that reference also because you got to bear in mind the market moves when the big players come into play, like the European market, the Asian market, and of course the American market. And wherever you are, and I don't know wherever you are, of course, you could be in Africa or New Zealand, Australia, or Thailand. Now that your local time has to sink in with, say, when the American market opens up. And this is why I'm using this to tell me what time it is in New York at that particular time I'm doing my trades. So all this is in reference to help you gauge where the market is moving. And there is a lot of influence. As soon as say the American players come in to do effective, they do move a lot of assets, whether it be, you know, negative or positive, it doesn't matter. They move a lot of, there's a lot of movement when they come into the market. So, you know, you've got to bear that in mind. And using this, you know, as I said earlier, these free services like you see in here, gold price, it gives me the time, and it gives me also the reference where gold is moving. And as I said earlier, again, gold seems to be in sync, or in partner with the GBP USD. And as you can see, now I've gone up to 36,000 in a short space of time. And you can appreciate, you know, the confidence you can build up from using these signal provider. And this is my real account, of course. Once again, as you can see, I'm making money there too. Only because of the confidence I have found in my signal provider with Plus500 and TradingView. Here's TradingView. As you can see, the chart is showing you know, gradual or spike, if you wish, and see how it's just gone up from $17,000 to $40,000 now. Now that's a signal to me. You might, you know, squirrel and squirm and say, Steve, this is all useless. This is only a demo account. Yes, it is a demo account, but a demo account used for purpose of a signal provider. It's providing me a strong confidence where the asset is moving. Not only in saying graph, but in giving me in numbers, in real number terms. This is a graph. That's a signal provider, of course. Like you and I will know, that's going up. And you take advantage of the fact that it's going up. This red line below the blue line up here tells us, yep, that particular asset's moving upwards. And it is a lot of confidence when you get that sort of movement in your demo account. For example, here, see how fast it's going up? 43,000 now. Only because I am using the chart, applying it on my demo account, and taking the realistic numbers coming out of my Plus500 demo account. If I go back there in a moment, then I apply the principles and the reality of my live account. It's not much, of course, as you can see. Sorry, that was too fast. But anyway, you can appreciate graphs. It gives us an indication. It's like a GPS guiding us to where the money is. But I'm using quite a few, as you can see. I'm using real numbers to guide me, and I'm using graphs also to guide me. So I hope you can appreciate these videos that I'm putting for you. But do subscribe. On the right side of this video, there's a button after the video. Subscribe to my videos so you can get some more of these insights of these trading sequence perhaps, or trading strategies so you can apply it for yourself. Do subscribe, please. And, you know, if you want to leave a note, please leave a note. I'm open to any criticism or any feedback that you may have. But anyway, as you can see, it is growing rapidly, $47,000. You know, I mean, you can appreciate the demo account really working in my favor. But it is live charts that's been utilized for this purpose. But anyway, this is Stephen I. Ford from I. Ford Fortune, creating fortunes for the future. God bless you. Stay away from scam. We'll see you in my next video. And I hope to bring you some more of these wonderful videos in the future to help you trade successfully and profitably. I'll catch you then. Bye for now.